feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready. Serving you, Yahweh, keeps me strong and steady. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Hey guys, we're going to do a little bit of a sweet potato harvest. It frosted last night, so we've got to get them out of there. A 3.5 pound sweet potato?
Yeah. Hey, up here, a big one.
I see it, babe. It could be hard to recheck it like that. They're just littering the ground, top of the ground. And they haven't dug down in there yet good.
Dang, I'm almost down to the bottom.
Worm.
Huh?
Worm.
Where is it?
It's like pulling up wine bottles.
Yeah. So hugelkultur works, don't it? Like digging for gold.
Mrs. Smith sure ate her words about that potato fork, didn't she?
Yep. I tried to get a potato fork the other day. I said we really need it. And we didn't get it. Mostly worm castings here. Pile's growing. Yeah. Gonna weigh the big one first. And it is 3 pounds. Let's say 2.5 ounces. I zeroed out the bucket too, so the bucket, it's on 0 when you take it out. Now comes the task of weighing these. Now you have to keep in consideration because these all grew in a 8 by 4 raised bed. 8 feet by 4 feet raised bed. And we still have to look under those to find them. Grand total, about 85 pounds sweet potatoes. 87 point something, but some of them are so small, can't even eat. So I think that's pretty good. We're about to plant some of our cabbages out here and try to carry them through till time for the potato bed. I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but this is just pure worm castings. Got another 5 pounds of potatoes, so that makes the total for the year 126 pounds, which is not enough to sustain the 3 of us. So we need to triple that number and make these beds a little bigger. Living the way you meant for me to live is what I strive to do every day. As I live off the land, lead me at your pace. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. Help me to feed all the hungry. Use me, Lord, to ease their misery. From all this worldly pain and captivity. For you, Lord, I'll go for green living. I feel something building up inside me. I must prepare, I must get ready.